Ever wondered what it would be like if Pokemon was mixed with a survival game? Enter the intriguing universe of Palworld, a unique concoction of monster collecting and survival elements. It's a place where the thrill of taming wild creatures meets the adrenaline rush of battling nature's odds. With its innovative gameplay mechanics, Palworld offers an unparalleled degree of freedom to its players, inviting them to forge their own adventures. But how does Palworld stack up against other similar games? Let's dive in. You might be thinking, isn't Palworld just another Pokemon clone? Well, you might be surprised. At first glance, Palworld might seem similar to monster collecting games like Pokemon and Digimon. You catch creatures, train them, and use them in battles. But that's where the similarities end. Palworld introduces survival mechanics reminiscent of games like Minecraft and Rust. You'll find yourself building shelters, crafting items, and scavenging for resources, all while managing your pals' needs and moods. It's a blend of genres that creates a unique gameplay experience. Unlike Pokemon, where the focus is primarily on battles and collecting, Palworld delves deeper into the relationship between player and pal. It's not just about the fight, it's about survival, cooperation, and growth. So while it may share some elements with other games, Palworld stands out with its own unique flavor. So it's clear that Palworld isn't just a clone of other games, but it's not without its flaws. Now that we've compared Palworld to other games, what are the main points that you need to know about it? Let's dive into the heart of Palworld. This game boasts impressive graphics that bring the world of monsters to life. From the detailed character designs to the vibrant landscapes, Palworld is a visual feast. But it's not just about the looks. The gameplay mechanics are equally as compelling. The game combines monster collecting and survival elements in a unique and engaging way. You'll find yourself constantly strategizing, whether it's about how to catch a new monster or how to survive in the wild. But like any game, Palworld has its challenges. Some players might find the survival aspects a bit too intense, and the story, while intriguing, can sometimes feel secondary to the gameplay. Yet it's these very elements that make the game stand out in a sea of monster collecting games. Another compelling aspect of Palworld is its active community. Players are constantly sharing strategies, tips, and experiences, making it a great space for both newcomers and veterans alike. And let's not forget, Palworld is an ongoing project. The developers are continuously working on updates, promising new monsters, gameplay tweaks, and more exciting developments on the horizon. So, if you're a fan of monster collecting games or survival games, or if you're just looking for something different, Palworld might just be the game for you.